Today, we're diving into the top 3 vocabulary apps for Android that can help you learn new words and improve your communication. From the engaging design of Vocabulary Learn Words to the reliable resources of Oxford Vocabulary and the targeted preparation provided by IELTS Listening Vocabulary, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Vocabulary Learn Words. Vocabulary Learn Words is an engaging app designed to help users enhance their vocabulary effectively. It features a user-friendly interface and offers a variety of learning methods, including flashcards, quizzes, and games. The app tailors its content based on the user's level, making it suitable for beginners and advanced learners alike. One of the standout features is its daily word notifications, encouraging users to learn new words regularly. The app also tracks progress, allowing users to see improvements over time. With a rich database of words, definitions, and example sentences, Vocabulary Learn Words provides a comprehensive learning experience. Oxford Vocabulary. Oxford Vocabulary is powered by the renowned Oxford University Press, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to expand their vocabulary. This app offers a wealth of resources, including definitions, synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences for thousands of words. Its interactive features, such as quizzes and word games, make learning enjoyable and engaging. The app also includes specialized vocabulary lists for different fields, such as business or academic English, which is especially beneficial for students and professionals. With its clear audio pronunciations, users can improve their speaking and listening skills as well. The clean layout and concise information make learning efficient and straightforward. IELTS Listening Vocabulary. IELTS Listening Vocabulary is specifically designed for students preparing for the IELTS exam. The app focuses on the vocabulary needed for the listening section, offering a targeted approach to help users succeed. It includes practice exercises, sample questions, and audio clips that mimic the actual exam format. Users can learn essential vocabulary related to various topics such as education, travel, and social issues, which frequently appear in the IELTS listening tests. The app also provides tips and strategies to improve listening skills. By tracking progress and offering personalized study plans, IELTS Listening Vocabulary helps users build confidence and readiness for the exam. Thanks for watching. We hope you found our overview of these excellent vocabulary apps helpful. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!